Thank you very much for joining us. Stormwatch 9 weather on the web. Impressive first snowstorm of the season. Gone by the boards right now with all precipitation winding down quickly during the course of the next few hours. It looks like partial clearing could even develop in some areas. Try a foot of snow in Bristol to 10 inches in Danbury and in Wolfboro. If you live in and around these towns, there's a possibility you could have an inch or two more or less. But on average, a general 8 to 12-inch snowfall hit a good part of New Hampshire. Some spots a bit less. Many other spots just a little bit more. You will notice back to our north and west, frigid air beginning to approach through the heart of the Great Lakes. So even though it is cold now, it turns even colder late tonight through Monday night, and early on Tuesday. And then following that, a little Alberta clipper. Weak system that originates around Alberta province in Canada. Clips along like the old clipper ships, the days of old. Well, that's going to be taking aim on the Ohio Valley by Monday night, and the next stop will be close by to New Hampshire. So we're going to have to track that closely over the next couple of days. Notice on Futurecast, the clouds part later on today in southern New Hampshire. Fair skies should take over many spots tonight, except some lingering clouds up north. It'll be on the windy side, on and off for today, especially tomorrow. Deceiving sun with highs tomorrow only in the single digits north, teens to the low 20s south. There's that weak system that approaches for Tuesday right after the morning commute through the part of the evening. Tough to call the amounts. Right now it looks like a coating to an inch or two, but if that system slows down just a little bit, then we're talking about more in the way of snow. So stay tuned to updates as we go through the next few days. Certainly breezy over the next couple of days. Notice how cold it'll be right through the middle part of the week. Then it warms up just a bit as we go towards Thursday and on into Friday.